I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I'm going to give you a move up today. Make sure you get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. I'm going to help you lose 40 pounds in the next 2 months. Get rid of your pooch, get your high round booty, thick thighs that will save lives. And on top of that, I'm going to give you a body that's going to shut down rooms. I train superstars, and I'm going to help you look like one too. Now, let me give you your move of the day, okay? So what you're going to do, we're going to hit your back fat, we're going to hit your shoulders, we're going to hit your thighs. So what you're going to do, you come down here, boom, and then you're going to pull here. Okay, make sure you stick the landing up top now. So you're squatting, boom. So that's 3, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me 20 total of these. Give me 20 total. And if you got me, say I got you, coach. Again, that's in your thighs, your booty, your shoulders, your back fat, all that good stuff. Now, life homework. Don't let anybody talk you out of your greatness. Maintain your greatness. Maintain that awesome thought of your future. Don't let dream killers and dream stealers take from you, deprive you of your greater and your bigger destiny. Again, a lot of the times you can give a big dream to a small person and they can't handle that big dream, so they try to talk you out of it because they've never dreamt big before. So protect your vision, protect your dreams, and understand that when God gave that to you, that vision, he gave it to you. He didn't give it to the person that you're seeking counsel from. So keep that in your back pocket, okay? Keep pressing, and most importantly, press past yourself. You're not going to understand a whole bunch of stuff in life, but it's important that you keep moving forward. Every day, you're going to be given the answers that you need, but you got to keep moving. So if you agree to keep moving, say, I got you, coach. So let's get it. Knock out your move. You got your life homework for today, so let's go. Love y'all. Have a great day. And again, don't forget to get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. I can't wait to help you lose 40 pounds in the next 2 months and get rid of your pooch, baby.